Hey guys, so for this video, I wanted to talk about why vagus nerve work is so important to me. I think the best clinicians were those that were touched by something specifically in their life, why they believe in their technique so much. I spent most of my career treating patients after a stroke, brain injury, spinal cord injury, crazy motor vehicle accidents that people should not have survived from. Most of my patients pretty much were lucky to get out of the hospital, and then they came to see me in the outpatient setting. So I also treated Parkinson's disease, multiple sclerosis, fibromyalgia. I've treated a lot. And so for me, the connection with the vagus nerve work was, after someone has a stroke or a heart attack, that's just common knowledge. Okay, they were stressed. That makes sense. They were stressed. It was overload on their system. That's why they had the stroke or the heart attack. However, one thing that is not commonly talked about, but I have learned this from working with all these patients. So after my MS patients or Parkinson's disease patients and even fibromyalgia, I would ask them what life was like before the diagnosis. And oftentimes, many of those patients had some triggering traumatic event that led to Parkinson's disease, multiple sclerosis, fibromyalgia, and many other diagnoses, autoimmune diseases. So I'll never forget, my one patient told me they were a young Parkinson's patient, young because typically it's diagnosed later in life. And I asked her what happened before the diagnosis, and her young son passed away. Very traumatic. So when these traumatic things happen to us, as much as we want to say that we're okay, the part of you that's not okay, that you may not recognize, it has to go somewhere in the body, right? The body has to react somehow to this horrible triggering news, and that is how it manifests. So working on your vagus nerve and your nervous system's ability to efficiently wax and wane between these stressors are the key to being able to prevent such difficult diagnoses in the future. All right, guys. For more information, keep following Releaseology. Make sure you subscribe, follow, hit the like button so other people can find this information too. Take care. Happy Mental Health Awareness Month.